viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to talk about my bicycle. You can look. My bicycle color is red, and over here it is yellow, and over here too. And over here it is colorful. Look at this. It can go so fast. Look at this. I can drive so fast. Look at this. It has two pedals over here and here. It is so beautiful. It has two lights over here and one big light over here. You can look. Over here and here there are two seats to sit. I can sit over here because this seat is loose, and when I sit over here and drive, I cannot drive. I have one Eassy in this seat. I have in Eassy in this seat. This seat is much better. My little brother and my sister drive this cycle. My sister and brother too small. My sister sit over here and my small brother too. And small brother too sit over here. Anytime, not the whole time. Whole time my sister. Every time my brother, smaller and over here too. My Abuji can take him in this cycle. Look at this, like this. You can look with rope like this. Then my all sisters and brothers are happy. And I like this cycle so much. It has two tires, but they are colorful. I do not like these tires. I like black tires with these both. So